So I was just watching that Impossible channel. James came on. And, alright, I should start here. Yesterday I was here, or the day before. And it was a panoramic camera going back and forth. And I saw a huge wheel standing up. It looked like a Ferris wheel, but not. So I just brushed it off. I knew there wasn't a carnival. I mean, I was able to get in because this is a zoomable. I could zoom in. And I just pushed it aside. I wasn't going to be bothered with it because I was so confused by it. But anyways, I was watching James just now, and James said Dubai's where they're building everything for space. And then bingo, I knew what the wheel was for. So I rushed over here. We're not on a panoramic camera, so I can't look around. But I did find this big sun, and I wanted to share it with you. And then something coming up here. But look at the size of that thing. It's huge. And wait till you see, I'll be back here, wait till you see how Dubai's laid out. It's like long strips. And on each long strip is water in between them. And on each long strip is like their own cities with big, tall skyscrapers. I mean, it is the most bizarre thing you ever did see. And you hardly ever see anyone, any people or any cars. It's almost like a fake place. But yeah, it's amazing. We're gonna come back here. I'm gonna show you around. Obviously, it won't be today because we're not on a panoramic. So, but I wanted to show you this real quick, okay? And on to the next stop. That's fantastically huge.